I love carrots. I love carrots. Grandpa grows tomatoes. Grandpa grows tomatoes.
She picks fresh lettuce. She picks fresh lettuce.
We plant basil seeds.
We plant basil seeds.
He waters the cucumber plants.
He waters the cucumber plants.
I chop red peppers. I chop red peppers.
Grandma harvests zucchini. Grandma harvests zucchini.
You need fresh parsley. You need fresh parsley. I slice the eggplant. I slice the eggplant.
You need ripe avocados. You need ripe avocados. Now, we rinse the radishes.
We rinse the radishes.
I squeeze lemon juice. I squeeze lemon juice.
I chop green onions. I chop green onions.
I taste the fresh arugula. I taste the fresh arugula.
He picks ripe bell peppers. He picks ripe bell peppers.
We gather thyme bunches.
We gather thyme bunches.
I snip dill fronds. I snip dill fronds.
We harvest green beans.
We harvest green beans.
Grandpa cuts thick cabbage wedges.
Grandpa cuts thick cabbage wedges.
She roasts crispy Brussels sprouts. She roasts crispy Brussels sprouts.
I measure dried bay leaves. I measure dried bay leaves. You need purple turnips. You need purple turnips. We taste the fresh fennel. We taste the fresh fennel.
She arranges the herb bouquet. She arranges the herb bouquet. We sprinkle fresh herbs on top.
We sprinkle fresh herbs on top.
Grandma lights the candles. Grandma lights the candles. We enjoy the fresh harvest.
We enjoy the fresh harvest. I smile at our vegetable feast. I smile at our vegetable feast. We wash the spinach. We wash the spinach.
She dries mint leaves. She dries mint leaves.
Grandpa peels garlic cloves.
Grandpa peels garlic cloves.
Grandma snips fresh chives. Grandma snips fresh chives.
He digs up potatoes.
He digs up potatoes.
She bundles cilantro stems. She bundles cilantro stems.
Grandpa trims rosemary sprigs. Grandpa trims rosemary sprigs.
Grandma slices sweet corn.
Grandma slices sweet corn. Grandma shells fresh peas. Grandma shells fresh peas.
You need crisp celery. You need crisp celery.
She bundles fresh oregano. She bundles fresh oregano.
Grandpa washes kale leaves. Grandpa washes kale leaves.
I harvest golden butternut squash. I harvest golden butternut squash. We sort rainbow chard bunches. We sort rainbow chard bunches.
Grandma stirs the vegetable soup. Grandma stirs the vegetable soup.
He grinds black peppercorns.
He grinds black peppercorns.
Grandpa serves the salad.
Grandpa serves the salad. Grandpa plates the roasted vegetables. Grandpa plates the roasted vegetables.
I set the dinner table. I set the dinner table.
You pass the vegetable platter. You pass the vegetable platter.
He tastes the garden flavors. He tastes the garden flavors. We share our homegrown meal.
Let's replay! Let's replay!
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.